Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and...
Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. My name is Kimi, and as you saw in the thumbnail and in the intro, we are grocery shopping. As you can see right now, I was picking up some produce. So after we get done with a little bit of the grocery shopping, I am going to be taking everything out of the bags and just taking you along a regular grocery shopping day, because I don't know, let me know in the comments if y'all are like this, but on the days that I go grocery shopping, it is a whole entire day's event. So let me know if you guys are the same. Do you spend the entire day just around grocery shopping and getting everything ready for the week ahead? But I'm so excited with the things that we bought at the grocery store today, so I can't wait to show you guys that in the haul. And if you like videos like this where we go grocery shopping, I go grocery shopping about once a week, so I'm going to be posting these weekly so you can get some grocery shopping motivation, just like I feel you with the cleaning motivation. So definitely subscribe if you are new, and thank you so much if you're returning.
Let go of tomorrow, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah.
I am back home from the grocery store. Aaron helped me get the bags of groceries out, and now I'm just unloading everything. And we got some pretty good deals on meat this week. They had a lot of manager specials. So while I'm unloading the groceries, one of my tips for you guys when you're going grocery shopping and you're on a budget is definitely look out for those manager specials. And if you want to get the best deals on meat, go on in the mornings and ask your local store whenever they get their new delivery, because the day before or the morning of that they get their new delivery, they're going to do the markdowns on the meat. So you can also ask them whenever they do the markdowns, and then just base your grocery trips around those days. Alright, I'm going to show y'all everything we got, and then we'll go ahead and put these groceries away, and I'll give you a meal plan. I picked up this right here. It looked really good. It's a lobster bisque New England classic soup. Thought that would be great. Got 2 oranges, a thing of onions, 2 bananas. Got 2 boxes of mac and cheese. I got some hair dye. That will be for another video, so sneak peek of that. Creamy French dressing. I got one of these Palm Wonderful drinks, 2 tomatoes, some roasted pine nut hummus. Got this pack of cucumbers right here. We both like cucumbers. And got 2 avocados. These combo pack cheese heads. It's got mozzarella cheese and then the beef sticks. Got a thing of tomatoes. 2 things of sour cream. One of these, which this one busted, so I'll use this one. But I'm going to make a ranch dip, and all you do is take this and mix this in with it, and then we can use that dip for our veggies and like tomatoes, stuff like that, to just like dip in it. Okay, I got some chicken drumsticks, 2 bags of salad. One is the Greek and the other one is a bacon Caesar, and those are the Dole chopped kits. Got a thing of shrimp. These were buy one get one free. I got one so that it would be half off. That's how our store does it. The other sour cream is just for like with meals or, you know, anything. I got a thing of eggs. There was hardly any eggs at the store. I've never bought these before. They're jumbo eggs. So got some of those. This Sara Lee butter bread is so good. So pick that up. Got 2 things of tortillas. These will be for like lunches, dinners, stuff like that. I got 2 of these golden delicious apples. They looked really good, and I picked up 1 of these red delicious apples. It looked amazing. I got 4 or 3 baked potatoes, because I still have 1 from last week. This is just, I picked this up so that it would just be super easy. We could just take these right out of the bag and dip them into our ranch dip. This is some tortilla chips. Oh, and this is Green Giant fresh. Y'all saw this was in the produce section. I got a bell pepper. That's probably going to go with the shrimp. Got 2 things of bacon. These are for like bacon BLT sandwiches. Got a thing of biscuits in case we want to put some of this in with that. But also, actually, I could use these to make my pigs in a blanket, because I have some of those little sausages, so I'll probably do that instead. I may actually do that tonight, so if I do, I will film it. I got me a coffee drink. I got Diet Pepsi, and I also got another thing of regular Pepsi that was over there. These were 3 for $1, which is amazing. If y'all have a Food Lion, definitely go there to get your canned veggies, because if you get the Ching brand, they're really good prices. So, got a thing of green beans, because we favor corn. I love the crunch. So 2 cans of corn. Then for the meat, so we have the shrimp, we have bacon, we have that soup. So if we have the BLT, we'll probably have like soup with it, or we'll have soup and salad one night, something like that. I picked up this because it was $3.62. It's the beef cube steak, so we could just flour this and stick it in some oil and fry it up. And then this one right here is the beef shoulder steak. It was $4.23. And then this, they're small, but it was only $2.95. We always try to get manager specials because that's where the deals are. This was beef chunk steak. So, I got 3 of those. And then I got 3 things of these mashed potatoes just to make it super easy on me to fix food. So we'll have one meal that's typically like, you know, just whatever. Meat, veggie, mashed potatoes, or meat, veggie, macaroni and cheese. Something like that. And then during the day, if we want to eat something, we can have fruit, vegetables. That way we're picking healthier options instead of just eating junk food all day long. So definitely a balance instead of, you know, just going all in on the healthy stuff or just eating junk. I want to have both options. That way we don't feel like restricted or anything on our food choices. So now I'm going to put all this away, and I will let y'all know the meal plan that I'm going to do. So now I'm just making this ranch because my sour cream tin busted. And if y'all have not tried the ranch, homemade ranch, it is so good. We do the dip mostly, and all you have to do is use 16 ounces of sour cream and then add your ranch dip, and it is amazing. We'll never go back to like pre-packaged ranch dip because you just cannot beat this, and they're pretty cheap. They're like less than $2, and this will last us at least a few days. Alright, so here's our weekly meal plan, and I just wrote everything down on a different day, but we can have any of these on any day. If we're not feeling like eating this tonight, we can have it a different night. But I am going to fix this tonight because our water is still not on as of Monday, so I'm ready for it to be back on so that we can start using our water again. It froze even though we let it drip, so we're trying to get it to thaw out. Aaron's actually under the house right now trying to get it to thaw out. So Monday, which is today for me, pigs in a blanket and salad, so I'll fix that with y'all. Tuesday is going to be that cube steak that's like, you know, looks like it's been beat with a hammer. Baked potato salad. Then Wednesday we can have barbecue chicken, corn, mashed potatoes. Thursday, BLTs and soup. For Friday, I put steak, potato, mac and cheese. And then the weekend, Saturday, got fajitas with we'll use the shrimp and the bell pepper. And then Sunday, we got steak, mashed potatoes, and green beans. So chances are the fajitas, because it's a fresh bell pepper, will be bumped up. Because we'll probably eat most of our produce during the first 4 or 5 days, and then the weekend is probably going to be, you know, more so like steak, potato, mac and cheese, things that don't go bad as fast. So that's the plan. Alright, so I'm putting these little smokies in the pot because I asked Aaron would he rather have pigs in a blanket or if he likes the barbecue more, and he said he likes the barbecue more. So he did tell me that he put a little hint of Dr. Pepper in the little smokies with the barbecue sauce, and I couldn't tell a difference. We used the spicy, sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, so it is a little spicy. I think the Dr. Pepper just kind of mild it down a little bit. So if you've never added Dr. Pepper to your little smokies, maybe give it a shot. I don't know how much you're supposed to put in there, but I'm sure it's not supposed to be a lot. How much do you put in there? Was it like a tablespoon?
No.
Oh. Oh, wow. Okay. He said half of a cup. So I'm going to let that sit and cook for a little bit, and then I cannot take my bedroom being a mess because that's where we go to sleep at night. So I'm getting all our dirty clothes out of the bathroom, out of the bedroom floor, and getting this bed made, and I cannot wait for our water to come back on so I can wash my sheets and change my sheets. It's going to feel so good. You can tell my hair looks a little wet because we went over to Aaron's mom's house and washed some dishes and also took showers, and it feels so good. I would never, ever, ever take basic resources like water or electricity for granted, because when you don't have them, you're like, oh my gosh, I wish I did right now.
No, there ain't I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care who I run from.
Alright, so now that the little smokies are done, I'm going to use this bacon Caesar salad kit. Y'all, it did not come with Parmesan cheese. Like, normally I think they do, but that's fine. We had shredded cheese at home. So I'm just going to put some salad on our plates because Erin does not like the salad dressing. And also that way I can have this salad throughout the week and we don't have to mix it all up in one go and have a whole bag to eat. So we're just gonna get those sides ready. You'll see him come in a second and help me get the salads together. And then we sat down and watched our last final episode of SEAL Team, which is on Paramount. I think it's also on CBS, like in real time, but we don't have regular TV. But these salads are really good. They are a little bit more expensive than the regular salads, but they do come with like bacon, croutons, and I think this one came with black pepper, so you do get some little toppings to go along with it. And this dinner was so good and also really easy to make and very easy to clean up because we just used paper plates, plastic forks. We dirtied up one pot, the little pot, and one wooden spatula, so love easy cleanups.
I just think they got too much to say. You're on my mind, and you know I'm broken, but you're not the kind, on my mind, so listen. I'm on the run, afraid of heights, and too much for sound, but oh, you make me numb like no one else. You're too much to calm me down. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I know it gave you some inspiration, motivation to do your grocery shopping and get it done. And I will see you guys back here tomorrow for another video. Bye!